Hi friends, don't know if you can see this, but we're having a huge winter storm in Southern California. Our temporary Toluca Lake sign has just blown down. Our regular permanent one had been run over by a car, I believe sometime either earlier this year or late last year. But our sign has blown down. Just a few things I've seen along the way here on my trip to the post office. Well, here's storm picture number 2. I still have the Porta AC in the bedroom because anybody who knows what's going on in this place knows that there is no airflow. Even with the new compressor, there's no airflow that comes into the bedroom. So there's no heat and there's no air in the bedroom. The empty shelf, which has nothing to do with the storm, that was my Viking L's. I had to take them down when we had the double Malibu quake a few weeks ago, so they wouldn't come down. But this thing has been leaking. Right now, it seems okay, but I had to pull out the bed. And I've got a Pyrex dish, which was quickly filling on the other side. I moved that to the left, went out to the garage, had to get dressed and pull in the magnet fishing Home Depot bucket. I unplugged the AC since there's a live outlet there, and that's where the water was coming through. So, not good, folks. And I just saw on the local apps that there are many power outages happening right now in Toluca Lake. Let me take you for a tour outside and you can see what's happening. Wow. Yeah, I heard that it's flooding right now next to the Burbank Airport at Van Owen and Vineland. And that people are having to get rescued from their cars, but there's a lot of power outages in the neighborhood right now. Oh my God. If the wind is this strong here, I can't even imagine the 70-mile-per-hour gusts that are happening up at the Eagle's Nest at the Friends of Big Bear Valley, Big Bear Lake. Let's pray for Jackie tonight, pray for those eggs. I get through the night without waking up in water. Well, it's the next morning, and this is the alleyway that leads to the temporary post office. This is where they're digging the big hole to put in presumably the new Gelsons, the mini Gelsons. And you can't get down this alley anymore because I guess the fence that protects this very deep hole was taken away. So this is what's left of the fence on the side street. That's Riverside Drive. See the mailboxes? That's where the post office used to be. But look, all the fencing is down in the ground. And we're getting a new lake in Toluca Lake. Look. Wow. What a mess. I can't imagine the workers that are going to have to crawl into this on Monday morning. I don't even know how they're going to get to that equipment. And look at the top corner there on Riverside Drive. All that fencing is down too. It just literally blew down into the hole. So, wow. Somebody could walk down that sidewalk right now and stumble about 20 feet down. That's at least 20 feet deep. That's crazy. The whole fence surrounding this demolition site is down. It's even lying up against a tree. It's just completely gone. In the front Wow, incredible.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day.